Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Brandon Chang. We have a great time on this channel. Do not make this video last. Please like if you like this content, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any more videos. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie this design hair scarf. Okay, for those days when you really don't want to do much on your hair and you just want to tie a scarf and you don't want to tie the regular design that we all know, or you just want to switch things up, make it simple but still like you did so much effort on your hair guys. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I realized this so you can copy and still look effortlessly gorgeous guys. I'm not gatekeeping secrets, I'm here to share. So guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, to realize this hair scarf design, I've made 2 braids on. You can make more. I just made 2 because that's what I feel like doing right now, but you can have as many as you want. All is that you should have braids on or just tie your hair in a bun, but I prefer braids because it's more practical. And then you will need 2 scarves. I have this scarf and this scarf, and you will need Eco Styler gel or any gel of your choice. And you would need a toothbrush or whatever brush you use in brushing and applying your gel. So let's get right into me showing you guys how I do this. So guys, I'm going to be using my styler gel right now and just trying to fix my front part so it looks more presentable. And I'm sorry if I'm not going to be looking into the camera because my mirror is this way, so don't get pissed. So you just have to take whatever quantity you think is okay, and I don't use so much. Just use whatever quantity you think is good and do your baby hair however way you like it to be done. I like it pretty simple. I just think the simpler the better. That's basically my motto, so do whatever you like, please. So guys, I am done with my baby hair, and I'm going to proceed to showing you guys how I do this scarf thing. So I start by this because I want this to be at the top, and I chose this because it's red and red pops more compared to this. So whatever color you want to pop more should be at the top, and whatever color you just want, you don't want it to pop more, should be down. So I start with this first, and it has to be even. Okay, it has to be even, and it doesn't really have to reach this part guys, because our aim is to make a bun. Our aim is to make a bun at the end. So I'm just going to showing you guys how this is done. Twerk it here. And boom. So guys, this is the first step, okay? And now we move to the second step, which includes me using this beautiful red scarf because I love the color red and I wanted to make my face to pop because red suits me, if you know what I mean. So we go ahead and we make it even still. It has to be even. And then this, now we can bring it at the top, or we can follow this line here. You can still follow this, it still would look pretty, but I don't think I want to. Okay, so do whatever you like. So right now this one, I don't take it at the back of my ears, I take it on my ears, but not to cover everything, just like take like this, and then I bring it behind. This part is a little complex, okay, depending on how you tie your scarf. but I just want you guys to have the idea so that you can do it on your own. This other part doesn't have to be covered, especially if you have a pretty scarf like mine. I didn't want it to be entirely covered. I want it to look like I used 2 scarves, but not like I used 2 scarves. I don't know if you understand, but I know you don't. I'm sorry for talking so much, but yeah, I want this part to be visible. You can either tie it or tuck it in. I choose to tuck it in because my scarf is short. You can have a longer scarf that will need you tying it in. And guys, this is the final look. This is the final look. So guys, this is the final look. This is how you can look like on the days when you don't want to braid your hair, or maybe you had a bad braid and it's cut your hair and you just want to let your hair breathe for a while before like rebraiding it again. This is what you can do so that your hair can breathe and still look like you've done so much and still look effortlessly gorgeous. Okay, this is how it looks like behind. Okay, isn't it beautiful, guys? Isn't it beautiful? So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like if you like this content, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you never miss a single video, and come back for another video, guys. Thank you and bye.